Hi, today I've got the cutest DIY Halloween host gift to share with you. I'm making some glittered wine bottles. I'm using gloss Mod Podge and I'm sealing them up with sparkle Mod Podge. That way we don't lose any of that shine. This is Make It with Mod Podge. I'm Cathie Fillion. Let's dive into this easy craft. I'm using these adorable Frankenstein and Bride of Frankenstein bottles, but you can use any wine bottle, chalk paint, Mod Podge, and apple barrel paints. The first step is that we're going to chalk the bottle. I'm going to go ahead and pour that out onto a plate, and I'm tinting it with a little bit of apple barrel paint. This will be a base coat for the glitter. So I'm going to paint everywhere except for the front label and that top section with this chalk, colored chalk. I'm painting over the back label. You're going to let that dry. So you want to match your color to your glitter color. And then I've got a custom mix here. I'm doing two different greens just to try to get a little bit of a Frankenstein green. And then we're going to use Mod Podge gloss and a 1-inch flat brush here. You want to make sure you put your Mod Podge onto a paper plate so that you don't get glitter into your jar. And I'm working over a folded piece of paper to collect the rest of the glitter. So I'm just painting the Mod Podge onto the bottle. And you can see that I'm painting it right around the label and then just sprinkling the glitter on, tapping off, and continuing around the entire bottle. You can see that it's so much better to base coat with a color that is the same as your glitter. So if you're doing blue glitter, do a light blue color. Orange, do a light orange color. Once it's dry, you're going to dry brush off the extra glitter, and there you will see any holes. For this bottle, I did do 2 coats of glitter. So then I just went back over it with a coat of Mod Podge, and then I sprinkled another layer of glitter there. If you had good coverage the first time, you could just add glitter in the spots where you maybe missed. But for this bottle, I just did the whole thing twice. Dry brush off the extra. And then I want to seal it down so that the glitter doesn't flake off. And for that, I'm going to use the Sparkle Mod Podge because this has glitter in it. It has Aurora Borealis glitter. Same thing, you want to pull that out onto a paper plate so you don't contaminate it. And then you're just going to brush that over the entire bottle and let it dry. And once it's dry, it'll have a gorgeous sparkle finish. Next, I'm going to border the label with some rhinestones. I'm using my Mod Podge detail brushes and more Mod Podge. I'm just painting that on, adding a drop at each corner first. I like to do the ends first, and then you can fill in with your gems. That way, if you need to scoot them around, you can. So I've just got a bead of the Mod Podge there. These are plastic gems, so they're very lightweight. Go ahead and glue them down. Then I use a skewer while it's still wet to just kind of push them into position. It just adds a cute little sparkly edge to that label. Look how gorgeous this turns out. Now for the Bride of Frankenstein one, I did hers with a custom mix of sort of blues and aqua colors. I think she just turned out stunning. And I made a bow for her. I used this spider web ribbon. I'm adding a little pink accent there. And then I'm going to just glue the spider ring right to the center there. Just wrapping that around. Give it a little dot of glue. That's my Mod Podge finger cap, so I'm not burning my fingers. Trim that up, and then just glue the spider right to the center. You could glue any little embellishment or none at all. And then that is so cute tied onto the bottle. These turned out so adorable. I love the sparkle. I just love how these turn out. They're so cute. Anyone would love to receive this as a gift. Now, I did wine bottles, but you can do this on any bottle that you choose. Thanks so much for being here with me. I'll be back next week with another fun project to share with you. And until then, have a super crafty week. Bye.